Yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back here on EA Sports. Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Looking forward to this one. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Two teams hungry for 2 points, and we are ready to drop the puck. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Team Kazakhstan's across the blue line. Slides it diagonally to Girgensons. Knocked away. Picks up the puck in his own end. Picks off the pass. Kazakhstan's got the puck against the boards. Works it across to Girgensons. Handles the puck. Centering pass. Turns it away. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Back to the blue line. Holds the puck at the line. Comes up with the steal. Takes the feed at the point. And there's the save. Through center along the wing. Puts it on net. Shuts him down. Team Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes the pass. Puck sent across the blue line. Can't get it to go. He scores! Off the defender and into the net.
This is a tough one here. The defender thinks he's helping out, but really the puck hits him and goes in the net. The goalie doesn't have a chance.
Latvia's made their way back to center ice here, and they've got that 1-0 lead.
The road is a funny place to play. You can't really be too aggressive, but when you get an early lead, James, you can open it up a little bit.
Takes it at center. Shot with the stop.
2 minutes, 36 seconds.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Possession here inside the offensive zone. Kolda's got it across the line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Handles the puck at the point. Team Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Has some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. From his own end, he moves it up ahead. Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. They've got numbers. With possession along the wall. Sends it down low. Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Takes it across the blue line. Back to the point it goes. Latvia's got the puck now. Great defensive play to break it up.
Kazakhstan's coaches constantly work on this in practice, and that's to be in the right position to intercept pucks on the middle of the ice. They've done a terrific job tonight.
Shot right in front. Oh, what a stop with the stick. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Denies him. He got all of it.
Yo.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Over the line they come. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Moves the puck along the half wall. Looks to set up at the point now. And it's a quick pass to Girgensons. Tees it up from the back end. Can't get it to go. Big time play right there. Takes that pass back at the point. And now he angles it across to Girgensons. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Here's an odd man rush. Back to the blue line. Puts it to the front of the net. Along the half wall with the puck. Gets it to the other point. Puts it up front. Hammers one from the point. Too high.
That's not going to do much good. A shot from the point that is a howitzer. It goes over the net. Who's going to tip that?
And makes the save. Oh, and they go back on offense. Smart read by the defender to come up with it. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Takes the feed from the left side. Kennens looks around. Flips it at the net. Too much congestion. Blocks the shot.
Puck goes out of play, and we'll have a face-off.
Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Takes the feed. Here they come on the attack. Moves the puck. Lets it go! And that sails over the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. A chance in front! Stones him in front. Nearing the midway mark of the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of them.
Team Latvia's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Nice pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Levels them with the hit. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Latvia's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. On the attack along the boards. Big-time defensive play. Kazakhstan's gained possession. Carries it in. And that's broken up. Takes the feed. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's a shot. Dropper save. Team Latvia still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Carries it across the line. Receives the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Bukarts takes the puck. With possession along the wall. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Sends the pass over. Blast from the blue line. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Pass back to the point. And that sails over the net.
He likes to go up there. Most times, that's maybe the only open area on the net.
Officials calling interference, and he'll go off to the box for 2.
Well, he tries to cut off the lane, but it's so late, it becomes an obvious penalty.
Latvia's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
And so they'll get their first power play of the evening. At the very least, you want to make sure you get pucks to the net, win some puck battles so you retrieve the puck. You just do not want on your first power play to have a poor one, because that can leak into subsequent power plays as the game goes on.
Denied by the goaltender.
Team Latvia's had an amazing start. They've been on the body, they've got the lead, and they look like they're carrying the play.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. 1-0 the score. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Point-to-point pass. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Stick save from the goaltender. Gets it out of his own end. Latvia's got the puck in the defensive end. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Lets it go. Makes a save with the glove. Team Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Set it out in front. Scores! Putting the power in power play.
Did just about everything right on that man advantage. They capitalized. Really effective power play there. They move the puck around, and they're able to find him right in the middle of the slot.
Latvia's found themselves in the driver's seat now with a 2-goal lead. Nice offensive start.
Really good start, really quick. Now you've got the other team scrambling around, but there's too much time left in the game to sit back and try to defend it. Be aggressive.
Time of the goal, 14 minutes.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Slides the puck down low. Takes the feed at the back end. Oh, he misses the net.
Not by much, but I guess it really doesn't matter, right? If it's not on net, it can't go in.
Fair point. Kazakhstan's looking to break out. Along the half wall with the puck. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
A little bit careless with the puck, trying to do too much.
Lets it go. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. In the final moments of this period, Team Latvia's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. Handles the puck. Lets it fly. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck. Takes the pass. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Latvia's got it in their own zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Just wide.
He's going to have to adjust the sights on that one. That thing's off target by a long way.
Team Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Kazakhstan's got it in their own zone. Here they are on the attack. Too much traffic in the lane. Latvia's got the puck in their own end. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. With some momentum driving towards the net. Can't get a hold of that pass. Nearing the point. Loses his balance on the play. Takes it across the blue line. Here's the pass. Makes his presence known on the ice. Kennens has it in the defensive end. Great balance as he scoops it back up. Puts it on net. Oh, how do you miss it.
Well, you miss it because you're trying to be perfect with it. Really good opportunity that he doesn't cash in.
Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Sends it over to Girgensons. And some good footwork to kick it away. Kicked up ahead to his teammate who skates away. Girgensons setting up against the wall. Nearing the final 60 seconds here of this first period. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Puts it on net. Just wide. Moves the puck. Turns it aside. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Over the line they come. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. And comes up empty.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Here's a blast. Makes the save.
Latvia's been so aggressive, they take it away all the time in space from their opponents, and they've stretched their lead.
Team Latvia's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Well, that'll do it for an entertaining opening 20 minutes of hockey as the horn sounds. 2-0 after 20 minutes of play. Still lots of time left in this one, but a comfortable lead already.
It's time for our hamburger bonanza. If the home team scores in the next 2 minutes, you can get a free hamburger courtesy of our arena.
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Team Latvia's done virtually everything right in that first period. They had the puck the whole time. They're winning by 2, and they're in really good shape here.
Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it towards the net. Off target. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Here they come on the attack. Nice pass. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Latvia's got the puck in the defensive end. On the attack along the boards. Takes the feed. Slides the puck down low. Move to the middle. Here he is, shot right in front. Receives the pass. At center ice now. He grabs the puck. Here's a chance. Moves the puck down low. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Up the neutral zone now. And that one's turned away.
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
We're still in the early stages of this period, and it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Carries it in. Shot! Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper. Team Latvia has been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. With possession along the wall. Takes a shot. Oh, he's going to be shaking his head after that one.
Yeah, you go back to the bench here, kicking yourself in the rear end. You've got a scoring chance, and you don't even get it on net.
Back at the point, they set it up. Hammers it. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Moves the puck along the half wall. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Team Latvia's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Delayed penalty coming up here. Looks like slashing is the call. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Handles it along the blue line. Sends the pass over. Right in the slot. Let's see what the official makes for the final decision. You call that a hatchet job with that slash?
I call that chopping broccoli right there, Jim.
Very good reference. Both teams lining up for the face-off, and it's a chance to see if there's actually some power in this power play.
They've worked on the power play a lot at practice over the last couple of days. This is their first one tonight, and they'll want to execute what they've worked on, which is to win the draw and start moving the puck.
Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Takes the stretch pass in the open ice. Along the half wall with the puck. Winds up, lets it go. Too many bodies in the way. Handles it again. Takes the feed in the middle of the ice. Hammers the shot. Moves with the puck at the corner. Takes a shot. Gets in front of it. Latvia's grabbed a hold of the puck and manages to clear the zone. Team Kazakhstan's gained possession along the boards. Carries it across the line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Getting a little too physical to maintain possession. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides it back to the blue line. Penalty has expired. You got to give the shorthanded unit a lot of credit there.
Well, as that penalized player comes out of the penalty box, he can give a nod down to his penalty-killing unit. They did their job. Outstanding work.
Long pass into the neutral zone. Puts the puck on net. Denied by the goaltender. Rocks him into the boards. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. On the attack along the boards. From the slot. And that goes wide.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the feed at the point. And a great save.
If you're going to leave a rebound, it might as well be 30 feet away from the net. That's a really good stop because the puck's out of danger.
Takes the shot with the stop. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. Circles back to center ice. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Grabs the puck in the corner. And that one's stopped. Handles the puck at the point. Team Latvia is looking to break out. And that's picked off. Good hit on the play. Handles the puck. Makes the save. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Here's a shot. Oh, what a save with the glove.
Yapalov throws a board rattler here. That one hurts if you're on the receiving end.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Back to the point it goes. Knocked away. From against the wall into the open ice. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Yepalovs gains the zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Trying to shake the defender. He's in! Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Takes a shot. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again. Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. 2-0 is the score. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Team Latvia's got the puck now. Handles the pass at center. And he takes a shot and makes the save. Takes the pass. With possession along the wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Quick shot. Brilliant save. Read it perfectly. Moves the puck along the half wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. They've got numbers. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Blocked in traffic. Puck leaves the zone, forcing a mass exodus. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. You'll need more than that to beat him. Taken down, and the officials caught it. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. Let's see the call here. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Power play unit going back to work.
The power play can be so frustrating. When you get an opportunity and it doesn't go well, you start to press pretty quickly into it. Now's the time to relax, readjust, and attack again.
Gets it out of his own end. Kazakhstan's got a hold of the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. From one end of the blue line to the other. Feeds it down low. Latvia's penalty killers get a hold of it and manages to clear the zone. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. On the attack along the boards. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Gets it out of his own end. Unable to reach that one. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Long pass up ahead to center. Slides it across, and he comes up with it. Trying to get it down the ice. Gets it out of his own end. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
So when the puck moves and the feet don't, this is what you get. You had lots of zone time, but no real dangerous chances on that power play.
And there's the save.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Here in the dying moments of this period, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Big play inside the defensive zone. Carries the puck up through center. Here's an odd man rush to his teammate. In front, the puck stopper gets on top, but we'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net.
Latvia's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. A rocker off the blocker. Up along the wing. Shot in front. Oh, what a save in front. Loose puck battle along the boards. Takes that pass back at the point. Slides that one right across the blue line. Denies him in front.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
And that shot gets caught in traffic. Stopped by the goaltender. Bukarts brings it in. Quick feed to Gergensons. Huge steal at his own end. Moves the puck. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Back to the blue line. Gives them nothing in front.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Here's a short pass to Girgensson. With possession along the wall. Throws it on goal. Kazakhstan's got control of the puck. Easily turned away by the goalie's glove. Late goings of this period. 2-0 is where we sit. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Big time stop. Over the line they come. Puts it on net. Comes up with the stop. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. Nice poke check. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Slides the pass over to Girgensson. Pass back to the point. Lets it fly. Answers the call with a big save. Hard sounds bringing the second period to an end. Do we dare jinx them and use the word shutout? I guess I just did. 2-0 after 40.
Just a friendly reminder about tonight's silent auction. All items can be viewed and bid upon.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. 40 minutes into this one here. Razor, how do you see things?
Kazakhstan's going to have to work not to get frustrated here. They've had by far the best chances. The other goaltender, though, has been brilliant tonight.
Team Latvia's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. There's another stop.
Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there.
Unbeatable.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
Sends it over. Lets it go. Gets a glove on it to make the stop.
I wanted another look at this one. I'm sure you guys were all impressed as I was. What a save by the goalie.
Latvia's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Here they come on the attack. Jostling for the puck, and it's knocked away. And that goes wide of everything. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. Here's a shot, and he makes the save. Team Latvia's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Takes the feed at the back end. Passed up ahead. Carries it in. Back at the point, they set it up. Nice pass. Denies them! Latvia's got it in their own zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Handles it along the blue line. Coldest got it along the boards. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Kazakhstan's got a hold of it along the wall. From the wing, it's moved to center. Along the half wall with the puck. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Great glove save.
Pretty good shot. The goalie's able to get the blocker up on it and put it outside.
Lots of time left in this period, and it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Lets it go. Traps that puck tight to his chest, and we're going to get a whistle here. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. With the stop. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Shot! Glove save and an easy one at that. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed. Slides it back to the blue line. Sends the pass down low. Team Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Receives the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. That's not going to fool him. Still lots of time left here in this frame. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Wrist shot from the slot. Fantastic save.
High quality chance, high quality save.
Puts it on net, and that one flies over the net. Nice defensive robbery on that. And the puck's kicked free. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Dumps it into the O-zone. Sends the pass over. Handles the pass in the middle. Loves the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Slides the puck over. Takes the feed at the point. Handles the pass from his goalie. On the attack along the boards. From the slot. Puts it off the post. Into the corner of the attacking area. Kazakhstan's got the puck along the wall. Sends a pass over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Great reflexes, another save. Handles the puck at the point. And makes the save. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a chance. Comes up with the glove save. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Latvia's looking to break out of their own end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Hammers one. Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able to beat the goalie.
Team Latvia's ready to go on the attack. Here's a pass down low. Keeps a hold of it on the play. Denied by the goaltender. Through center along the wing. With possession along the wall. Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. More than half the frame has been played here. 2-0 is the score. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. On the doorstep, puts one on net. He scores! On the rebound, lights the lamp for the goal.
You want money, you go to the bank. You want bread, you go to the store. You want goals, you get into the net. The rebound's there, he puts it away.
Team Latvia is all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Nikita Gentilov.
Moves the puck along the half wall.
Anders Kulda. By number 90.
Takes a shot. Blocked in front.
15 seconds.
Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. What a steal in his own end. Here they are on the attack. Lays into the body on the play. He scores! They might as well keep that light on behind the goaltender.
Man, again? That's 4 straight for them here. They have just totally taken over this game. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
All right, we're going to get a goalie change here.
I would say there's some relief here. He's been ventilated tonight. Now he gets to go take a break.
Team Latvia is having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Scored by number 89, Nikita Gentilov.
Moves it around along the half wall.
4, Anders Kulda. And by number 90.
Back to the point it goes. On the attack along the boards. Move to the middle. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. Comes up with the stop. Over the line they come. Looks to set up at the point now. And that one's turned away. Handles the puck. Denies him on the play. Denies him again.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Latvia is showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Here they come on the attack. Into the corner now. Here's a shot just wide of the net. Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Dumps it in. Team Kazakhstan's got the puck in their own end. Up along the wing. Takes that pass back at the point. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. There's the stoppage of play. Let's see what the officials say. The call is hooking on the play.
This is a penalty of bad positioning. You reach out to try and slow the guy down, you're going to get called almost every time.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
Well, here's another power play, James. They haven't been very good so far tonight. Nothing to show for their previous attempts. So now you have to get back to it, adjust, and re-attack on this man advantage.
And manages to clear the zone. Looking to break out here on the power play. Carries it in. Shoots it, gets in front of it. Latvia's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Gets it out of his own end. Stepping out of the crease now to play the puck. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Carries it across the line. Sends it across. Oh, what a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Right up the gut. Here they go. And that's taken by the defense. Girgensons plays the puck. Kazakhstan's got control of it now from their own end. Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit as the power play comes up empty.
Too passive, not aggressive enough. The puck gets moved around the outside of the penalty killers, really doesn't become a dangerous power play.
Quick pass to Girgensons. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Right out front. It's in the back of the net. He scores!
He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
Team Latvia's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forecheck. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. He's got a stride on the defender. Oh, what a stop by the goaltender.
It's like he almost deked himself out. There was nowhere to go with it, and the goalie makes a save.
Again, unstoppable. Good hit. Here's a chance. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looking to make something happen along the boards.
Yeah, Palov's whole game changes when he's got the puck. He's got 2 goals. He's looking for a third.
Team Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Yepilovs has the puck against the half wall. Snaps it onto the net. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick. Big stop by the keeper. Forces the turnover in the neutral zone. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Nice pass. With possession along the wall. And that's picked off in front. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Quick feed down low. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. And that's broken up with a stick in front. They've got numbers. Here's the pass. Denied by the goaltender.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Latvia's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Takes it and looks ahead. Along the half wall, Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Takes the feed. Stops him with a glove. Latvia's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Receives the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Back to the blue line. Blast from the blue line. And the goalie somehow gets a piece of that one. Team Latvia's got it in their own zone. Sends the pass over. That goes wide. Team Kazakhstan's got a hold of it against the wall. Here's a blast. Big time stop there. There's the final horn, and here we go. Boy, confidence between the pipes tonight with that shutout, would you say?
It looked easy.
Yeah.
Even the most difficult shots for him, he handled with such confidence.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.